want you to leave the blue ticket on your table.
Yes.
And while she's doing that, I'm going to explain something. Okay, so there you go. All right, our objective today is that the bears will learn the 1 to 6 plus tables automatically, all the combinations in A6. We worked on it last week as well. Raise your hand if you know what automatically means, if you remember from last week. Yes?
Automatic means like,
Okay, who else remembers? Yes?
it just happens out of nowhere.
That's right. You as fast as you know your own name. What's your name? Ashley. She didn't have to stop and think. She knew right away it was Ashley. That's how fast you're going to know your addition facts. All right. Now, we are going to review our rules of etiquette. Who knows what etiquette means? Yes? Kind of like rules. It's how we behave. And these are my rules of etiquette for our math camp classes. Use low voices because you're going to do partner work, but when you're working with your partner, you use a low voice. Raise your hand to give an answer to the whole group, or if you have a question. Stay in your seat unless you've been given permission to get out. And participate. Raise your hand if you know what participate means. Yes? Yeah, right. I'm sorry, I don't know your names yet. Yeah, right there. You with the headband on. Huh? Listening's part of it. What else? The green shirt. Doing it. That's exactly right. That means you have to do what we're doing. Everybody has to be doing it. That's called participation. Now, you all have a blue ticket. Put your hand down, please. Put your hand down. Thank you. The blue ticket means that you are behaving according to the rules of etiquette. So you want to put that on your table up at the top. If you're not behaving by the rules of etiquette, I'm going to walk over and I'm going to quietly take your stand. And that means you need to silently sit there, not participating for a few minutes until you're back in the groove of what we're doing. So, as long as you have your blue ticket, you can participate, you can raise your hand to answer questions. If you need to get a drink, you can raise your hand to get a drink. Those kind of things. Only if you have a blue ticket. At the end of our time together today, if you still have your blue ticket, you have been a star student in math camp. And I will give Mr. J the names of all the people who are star students for ASES Club. Okay? Are there questions on the rules of etiquette? On the rules of etiquette, yes?
Etiquette means like to pay attention?
That's right. The rules of etiquette are doing all the things on this board. All right. Now, last time I told you we were going to play a game. And we are going to play a little game to get us warmed up. And you might have played this game before. And if you have, you don't have to shout out, I know it, or anything else. That's good. But I'm going to give the directions anyway. It's called Around the World. And so I'm going to have, I'm sorry I don't remember all your names. What's your name? Lewis. Okay. Lewis, I'm going to have Lewis start, if that's okay. You're going to stand behind your partner's chair. I'm going to give you a problem. And these are the ones that I worked on last week. So stand behind your chair. And whoever answers the problem right gets to continue around the world. If you don't get it right, you take that person's seat. And we're going to see if who can get all the way around the world first. Do you have questions on the directions? Yes. Just 1 minute. Does anyone have questions on the directions? On the directions, yes.
Like, where do we have to stop? Where we left off?
You're going to try to get all the way back to the seat where you were. That's going around the world. Good question. Yes, Mark.
What is it in time?
Well, it won't be a time because only one person is going around the world at a time. Questions on the directions? Samantha. You don't get a prize, but you get to be the winner. And that's really fun, isn't it? Okay. Questions on the directions? A question?
Like when you get a answer wrong, you
Then you sit in your seat. One last question. I think we got it. There you go, Noah. Not Noah.
Fabian. I'm Noah.
Fabian. I don't know why I want to call you Noah. Okay. And you know what? Don't ask. I don't want to walk around and take your tickets back because I said no talking out, right? Okay, go ahead. That wasn't a question. All right, we're ready. Go ahead, and we're going to start. 8 plus 1. Who's first? Say it out loud. 9. Okay, she was first. You take her place, and she's going to go to the next table. Wait, go. Just. Okay, stand behind her. Yeah, that's right. Okay, ready? Whoever's first gets it. 1 plus 4.
5.
Okay, let's do it again. It was a tie. 7 plus 1.
8.
8, you got it. Okay, you take her place. Next one goes behind Mark. Okay, 8 plus 0.
0. I mean 8.
You got it. Go to the next one. 4 plus 3.
7.
Yes, good. You don't raise your hand on this one. You just say it out. Okay, right here. Let's see what I already do. 1 plus 5.
6.
You got it. Okay, sit down. There you go. Next one. It's a hard one. 5 plus 2.
8. 7.
Okay, let's do another one because I don't know who said it first. Ready? 2 plus 1.
3.
She got it first. All right. Ready up there. Ready? 6 plus 1.
7.
She got it. Good job. Behind him. Okay. 6 plus 2.
8.
Very good. 2 plus 5.
7.
Yes. 1 plus 5.
6.
He beat you. So close. Okay, there you go. Right here. 3 plus 4.
7.
You got it. All right. Now you're going over here. Yeah, over here. Behind. 1 plus 6.
7.
All right. I think you got it first. Just slightly. Just slightly. That was close. Ready? 9 plus 0.
9.
You got it. Okay, take your seat. Now you're going to go behind you. 2 plus 5.
7.
Samantha got it. You're here. 3 plus 2.
5.
Yes.
Sorry.
Okay, we're going to go around one more time to all the way around, see if anybody's going to make it. I don't know. 1 plus 4.
5.
She got it. 5. 0 plus 0.
0.
You got it. Okay, right here. 2 plus 2.
4.
Do another one. 3 plus 1.
4.
You got it. 0 plus 6.
6.
6 is right. Those are tricky. You want to say 0, but it isn't, is it? 7 plus 1.
8.
You got it. Okay, 3 plus 2.
5.
2 plus 5.
7.
Good. Here we go. 6 plus 3.
9.
Okay. 3 plus 6.
9.
Yeah. It's the opposite, right?
Right here.
Right here. We're going to go around to Lewis. 5 plus 2.
7.
Oh, it's both of them. 4 plus 4.
8.
You got it. Okay. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3.
5.
Good. Around there. And the last one. 4 plus 5.
9.
Oh, you got it. All right. Now go back to your original, very quietly, your original seat. Very quiet. That was fun. Oh, I had fun. All right. I'm going to give you a piece of paper, and it's going to be face down. For it, while I'm doing that,
No.
you'll get it back. All right. While I'm doing that, I want you to quietly, without talking to your neighbor, put your hand down, get a pencil out while I'm passing out. There's no questions. No questions. Your hands are down. Thank you very much. Do not have a pencil. You don't. Okay, can you get one out of here? A pencil? These are all pencils. You can use one of these. There's a pencil right there. on the count of 3, you're going to turn your paper over and put your name on the front, and then you're going to hold your pencil up in the air. I'm going to repeat it one more time. On the count of 3, you're going to turn your paper over, put your name on the front, and hold your pencil in the air. Does someone have questions on the directions?
Do I have to type it inside?
No, you don't have to do anything like that at all right now. All I want you to do is turn the paper over, put your name on it, and put your pencil in the air. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pencil in the air, you put your name on the paper. Pencil in the air. Almost there. Excellent. Put your hands down. Now on the count of 3, I'm going to start the timer. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3. When I do that, I want you to start answering. But I listen carefully. This is practice, practice, practice. I want you to skip the ones you do not know automatically. Skip the ones you can't do just as fast as you can do your own name. Do the ones you know really quickly first. And then, excuse me, can you wait just a second? Thank you. And then, go back while you still have time and finish the ones that you haven't finished. So no fingers. I don't want to see fingers and people counting. I want you to do the ones you know by heart, automatically first. You have 2 minutes. When you finish, turn your paper face down, and I want you to put your head down on your table so I know you're done. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.